SM MT553 turbojet engine, 200 newtons thrust. The engine is a small turbojet engine and modified for educational purposes. The unit has a radial flow compressor and an axial flow turbine as in the modern jet plane. Inlet air through an orifice flow measuring device is compressed by a single-stage radial flow compressor. The turbine is air-started and runs on Jet A fuel. The turbine unit is complete with control and monitoring instruments including engine data terminal and automatic start unit. The turbine runs on ceramic bearings. Lubrication is provided by jet oil in the fuel, and no separate lubrication system is required. A fan is provided for engine cooling. An electronic control unit, ECU, controls the basic turbine operation. Additional instruments are provided for monitoring and controlling the engine performance. A touchscreen computer with an interface unit and software are provided for speed control, data display analysis, and to assist the ECU. A transparent engine cover and overspeed shutdown are provided.